Hello everyone. Today I'm going to clean the bathroom exhaust fans. After a year, the dust accumulates inside the fan and on the cover too. It reduces airflow and efficiency. They might increase the moisture in your bathroom and develop mold. That's what we don't want. Fortunately, cleaning the exhaust fan is pretty straightforward. Let's start. So first, gently pull down the cover, and then squeeze two wires. And then you can see on this side, you squeeze these two wires, take it off. Put the cover into the sink, use the toothbrush to clean it. Wow, you can see there is a dead bug there. And spray some cleaner and the sour to clean all the glue there. After finish, put it into the sink. So look at here, it's very dirty. And before you do anything here, turn off the circuit breaker or turn off the fan switch. Unplug this. And it's very simple to take the fan's motor module out for better cleaning. Most of them only have one or two screws, and the other side has the clip. So here, you can see there's one screw here. So it's easy, I need to take this screw out. You can see here, there's a two tab here, insert to the base. And on the other side, there's a three, like a small tab here to support this fan's module. You can see there's a lot of dust. First, I use the portable vacuum to vacuum it. And then use the toothbrush to brush off all the dust on the motors, on the frame. Then use the paper towel to clean it. And I use the screwdriver to put the paper towel into the blade, between the blade, to clean it. Finally, I vacuum the exhaust fan base and use the towel to clean it again. The last step is put this motor module back. Put that two tab into the slot here. Okay. And then push this side up. So let that three things, put it there. Okay, so they sit on the three knob here. So put the plug in. And then tighten the screw. So the last piece, put the cover back on here. Put these two wires into the slot here. And then this side is the same. And gently push up. That's it. So let me turn on the exhaust fan. If this short video help you do it yourself, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.